Hello and welcome on board again today, my wonderful viewers and community. Today we are going to be dealing with another serious problem on the make money online space. It is a very common problem for a lot of people, even those who are already existing in the platform and those who are coming in newly. So irrespective of the side of the divide you belong, today we are going to be addressing one of the key area that is so much of concern to a lot of people. I've made several videos on some parts and this is a continuation. If you haven't seen those videos, please go to the channel and check, or if you are coming in, please subscribe so that we'll keep a date as I continue to bring you more information. However, this is a simple problem somebody asked: is there any job online that can earn more $20 a day? The problem here is not the job that pays $20 a day. The problem there is having that skill that is worth $20, and how do you get people to pay you that $20 to give them that skill or to give them that service that is needed. In this video, I've put up a fastest, easy money making online proven strategy that I'm going to be explaining in detail from my personal experience of doing this online. I've actually done a lot of things and you are going to be seeing them live in this video. Let's first go to my online store. You will get to see something here. So this is my online store where I have a lot of product. If you look at it, you will see a lot of things, some DJ sounds and a host of other in my other channel where I talked about how to be a professional DJ and a host of other stuff. But we are going to see the good side of it now. This is the good side of it. Within the past few days, I was able to make 25,500 here, $35 here, Kenyan shillings, CFA. You can see different currencies, 20 sales. That is those that were able to pay through this platform, and I was able to receive payment that is way to a large extent out of this platform through my bank directly, which I will not be able to show here. But this is just those that were able to accept and to make the payment through this platform, especially in Africa where people have difficulty in making payment, international payment. But see, I was able to do that. But be that as it may, we are going to see the most unfortunate part of this very thing I'm showing you guys now. When you look at it, these are my abandoned transactions. 83 abandoned transactions. What? 70,000 naira. This is what I lost. I couldn't follow up to get this result. $280. And all these transactions, look at 648, 100 Kenyan shillings, 500. All these transactions took place within that period where the exchange rate was very high. So if I was to really make all this things work, it means I would have earned nothing less than almost 500,000 plus just from this online platform within this part of possibly the 30 days that I'm showing you guys this very video. So this is the same problem a lot of people also have, even those that are coming in. It's not that sometimes you don't have the skill. It's not that sometimes your skill is not really worth it, and it's not that sometimes you cannot get customer, but putting up the necessary strategy is what really matters. I'm going to show you guys, talk about this platform in my subsequent video. However, let's get to see what is very important here. When I go back to this very same question where this person asked, if I go down, you see how I was able to explain it. I say yes, there are more than enough and major challenge. Yes, there are more than enough. The major challenge is getting clients that will patronize you. So I've also able to explain everything here, but this is the most interesting part. From my own personal experience, I've done a lot of this online, and I've done video editing. I've learned video editing, learned music production, learned AI related stuff, and web development, and a host of other. But the key thing there is even affiliate marketing, and guess what? None of these things work for me. Yes, from a layman point of view, none of them work. I never earned a kobo from it. The only kobo I was able to learn while doing this thing was from online service. But the bitter truth there is it really true that none of these things really worked? But some people were actually using it and they were making money from it. But in my own case, they never work. Why is it that they never work? I was actually missing out some things. But the good thing there is the payment I just showed you guys was possible because I put up all those things together, and today they become an added advantage for me. Rather than just see them like they never worked, I fine tune them, and today I can actually pick up any idea online and turn it into a money making opportunity. And when I follow it up, I'm telling you, within 1 week, I begin to see results. This is what it takes. The best advice I can give to you is that is this the person that asked this question is, as I've said, the funniest part of it is that skill that became the game changer for me was something I learned in less than 3 hours, and that is the truth. I stumbled on it online and I learned it within 3 hours, and the following morning I got a payment for it. What exactly is that skill? It starts from AI. AI gives you a lot of opportunity. It depends on how far your brain can think. Once you're able to perfect that skill, you're good to go. But from my experience, while learning all those things, the video editing, I was able to learn the concept of content creation, the aspect of building SEO content related, the aspect of affiliate marketing, where I got to learn all the basic skills that is necessary to promote your product, which is now an added advantage on me, which I'm putting up together to see how I promote my services and to get paid and to get paying clients at the end of the day. So that is it. So you first learn trending skill, especially AI. Then you fine tune that skill into a particular problem solving direction. That skill you have now that you are thinking you want to turn it into an online money making venture. Ask yourself, what problem does it solve in the online space? Like the case of affiliate marketing, a lot of people go into affiliate marketing with the hope of making money, but what they don't really know there is affiliate marketing was introduced to solve a particular problem. And what exactly is that problem? Big companies have problem of getting customers sometimes. Yes, that is the truth. And you having contact of those customers or people who need those services around you, if you can offer them to patronize those companies, they pay you commission. That is what affiliate marketing is all about. So that is how the entire process works. So after learning affiliate marketing, when I tried it, it never worked. I decided to use that process of promoting my affiliate link for my own service. And guess what? Boom, the whole thing changed. It began to work. So what makes it work in affiliate marketing? What makes it not work in affiliate marketing? And why is it now working in my own skill? The reason is this. I build authority in what I do, from the video editing concept, which I now use to make a lot of things for DJ related content. And then I now use that skill combining with the skill I learned for affiliate marketing and digital marketing to promote my skill. And I was able to convince people that I am an authority in what I do and they have confidence to patronize me. That is simple as it. That is how the entire thing works. So after doing that, you identify people with those problems and tell them what you can offer them using through social media platform. You have Facebook groups, you have Instagram groups, you have Twitter, you have TikTok, you have. So when you maintain that consistency for 1, 2, 3 weeks, I don't think, if you are promoting it at the right platform, I don't think it's going to be very difficult for you to get 1 or 2 clients. And from there, you begin to build up. Then you begin to post your feedback on people that actually people are patronizing you. Let them have confidence to patronize you. So that is it. So when you learn all these things and you put them together, you begin to appreciate what the entire process was. So in summary, what I'm actually saying here is the best advice is learn a trending skill. There are a lot of skills out there. Then you identify platforms. When you learn the trending skill, what do you do next? You fine tune it into a problem solving. As ordinary as AI can be, it has over 1001 solutions. Let's use, for example, the text to speech that you see has over 1001 solutions it is providing. That from translation, to subtitling, to regeneration of content, to even modeling some other AI again. So by the time you put them all together, you begin to see how we are building up a trunk of solutions that by the time you begin to contact people through DMs and a host of other using that particular atmosphere, you will see that you begin to get people to patronize you. I'm going to use my experience in video editing as an example. The software I use for video editing, I use it for other AI related stuff, and I also use it to regenerate other related stuff for another different. So that is how powerful some of these things can be. Then when you identify that problem, then you identify problem, people who have those problems, and you provide those solutions to them. That means with my knowledge of AI, I can use it to generate AI related graphics for you. I can use it to generate AI related logo for you. I can use it to generate AI related video for you. I can use it to generate AI related subtitle for you. I can use it to generate AI related content for you. That is for those who write content. I can use it to generate AI related blog post for you. I can use it to generate AI related website for you. I can use it to generate AI related hashtag. So you can see just one thing that I'm talking about. You see a list of things that, and all these things are solutions that people want. And I've said, as I've said about the issue of the affiliate marketing, since those big companies have problem of getting customer, you do the job for them rather than spend their money on advert every now and then. They believe that you do the advert for them. If you can convince people beyond reasonable doubt and they patronize, it means you get your commission. That is how the entire process works. So it's applicable to different fields in life, even the medical related field. For those who are in the medical field, you can create your own content around medical related stuff. Once you're able to convince people beyond reasonable doubt, and you promote your affiliate link or your products from there, then before you know, you're on track. So this is the little I have. I'm going to be making a video related to this particular platform very soon, and I'm going to explain a lot of things that you need to learn, especially as an African. I've seen people who I tried to convince them to make payment here, they are being skeptical. My credit card information, whatever. This platform remains one of the best platforms that has remained a game changer for me. Just within how many months that I created this platform, this is what you can see what is moving up with. So you need to learn how international payment work if you are for the digital content side, or if you are for the physical, you can start with the physical aspect, that is having the platform that allows you to receive payments and a host of other. So that is how interesting it is. I'm sure you've learned something very serious and good in this very particular platform today, and I'll be putting more updates in that regard. And don't forget to keep it there. Don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be bringing more content in this regard. Thank you once again.